Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salary in Tally Prime. We'll begin by understanding the fundamental steps to set up your payroll system. First, you'll learn to define employee groups and individual employee details. Next, we'll cover creating essential pay heads for earnings, deductions, and statutory payments. Finally, you'll see how to configure salary details for each employee or employee group, ensuring a smooth start to your payroll management. Moving on, let's dive deeper into setting up your payroll master data. You'll learn to establish employee categories and groups, which helps in streamlined management of your workforce. We will then define various pay heads, such as basic pay, house rent allowance, and provident fund. It's crucial to specify the correct calculation types for each pay head, whether it's based on attendance, production, or a simple flat rate. Now, let's focus on defining the salary structure for your team. You will assign specific pay heads and their corresponding values to individual employees or entire groups. We'll also cover how to set up different attendance types, including present days, overtime, and leave without pay. Recording accurate attendance data is vital for precise salary calculation each payroll period, ensuring fairness and compliance. Finally, we reach the core of payroll management, processing and reporting. You'll learn to process payroll vouchers, which automatically calculate the net salary for all your employees. After processing, you can effortlessly generate comprehensive payroll statements and individual pay slips. Tally Prime also allows you to access crucial statutory reports, such as Provident Fund and employee state insurance contributions, ensuring regulatory adherence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.